how to install an Xfinity Doorbell camera. In this quick video, I'll show you how to install and activate your Xfinity Doorbell camera. Let's get started. First, grab your Xfinity Video Doorbell Kit, which includes the doorbell, brackets, chime kit, screws, and more. Turn off the power to your existing doorbell at the circuit breaker and test to confirm it's off. Remove your chime box cover and attach the chime kit wires to the terminal screws and place the kit inside. Remove your old doorbell and disconnect its wires. Attach the new bracket to your wall, screw directly into wood or use anchors for brick. Connect the wires to the new doorbell and secure it to the bracket. Turn the power back on and check that the doorbell's light blinks white. Open the Xfinity app, follow the prompts to connect via Bluetooth, and customize settings like motion detection and video recording. And that's it. Your Xfinity Video Doorbell is ready to use.